Right. So submission for Team Zero Two. We have an app called COVID 360, which is a one stop for all your COVID needs. Have you ever had a runny nose or a fever after a gathering, which makes you wonder if you have COVID or not? Well, then COVID 360 can help you in diagnosing your condition using its machine learning algorithm to tell if you should consult a doctor or not. We also have a chat that has resources which can tell you about or which can guide you to verified COVID resources such as bed, oxygen, or any other stuff. A chatbot will first ask you if you want to check for resources or want to check yourself for diagnosis. We can tell it to check for COVID by putting check in the string entry. It will then ask you a series of questions. If you have, or do you have runny nose? Are you feeling tired? Or do you have any other conditions that it will ask? It will ask if you have sore throat in case any sort of pains or any nasal congestion that could lead to COVID 19. And then finally, it will ask your age. After that, it feeds all the data to the machine learning algorithm, which feeds out if you can have potentially COVID-19 or not. If in case you have COVID-19, well, we've arranged for you ways to get appointment from your doctors. It's easy and easy to use, and it will create a meet link using Google APIs. You'll have to find doctor and then type date and the time of the appointment. It will then create a meet link using API.
Here's the meeting link. Other than doctor appointments, we also have a facility to search for COVID resources. Here you can enter what you need, like let's say oxygen in Pune, and it will help you look for resources over social media. Here you can find verified links on social media. Uh, Now I'll explain the front end code a bit. For front end, we've used React.js mostly because of how dynamic our site is, especially our chatbot. Um, Here you can see all my files. Here are the components. Here are all the pages. Yeah. And for backend, we've used Node and Express. Here you can see all the routes. Abhinav will explain the backend.
So for the backend, we've used a model view controller, MVC's folder structure. Uh, we basically have two data models in the backend, one for appointments and one for users. And for users to authenticate routes, we have used JWT middleware, which which signs JWT tokens in the user's ID and stores it in the authorization header of the website. And all the other controllers for each route are written in the controllers folder under the respective files. And yeah, there are controllers for creating appointments, getting appointments, and updating appointment status, and getting appointments for a specific doctor or patient. We
Uh,
also implemented Google login, but we are generating JWT tokens to further strengthen the authentication on our website.
yeah. That was our backend, and this is the ML model that we've used to predict COVID, which Ashish will explain.
So the data set is taken from Kaggle. It has in it has around 72,000 entries, in which we split between 50,000 and 20,000 each. We use Matplotlib to visualize the data, though it's not visible in here. For the machine learning algorithm, we use k-means clustering as it is showing the best accuracy. For others, the accuracy may vary, such as for random forest, the accuracy could fall to 42%, whereas for the maximum for the maximum accuracy, we are getting it from k-means clustering, which is around 49%. We then convert the file to a pickle model and then use a Flask backend to fetch the data and then predict whether the person has COVID or not.
This is our submission for Frostax COVID 360, which is a one-stop solution for all COVID support. Thank you.